Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can install CapCut on your desktop or your PC version. And this is the CapCut PC version that you can get for free. You can install easily on your PC. So if you search on the Microsoft Store, you can search CapCut here, but you couldn't find any application with the name CapCut. Here it means you have to download manually on the CapCut official website. So as you can see in my Microsoft Store, there is a CapCut for free and it installed on my PC on Windows 10. So if you couldn't find this app, you can go directly jump into the Google Chrome and you can go to the CapCut.com. So as you can see, download CapCut Desktop officially from a CapCut.com official website. Take your video to the next level. You can download it for free. You can click it. So there is a how to install CapCut in 2 steps. You can open CapCut installer and then install, double click to install CapCut and wait for the installation finish. So you can double click to start this to download the CapCut. So feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button